Hi, it's Andrea again. So I spoke to my banker today and it was really interesting. He actually said that there's only 5% of business owners right now and from all the clients that he manages and in the bank that actually has cash on hand to weather the storm of this economic downturn that we are seeing. And I thought, oh my, 5%, do the math, that means 95% of businesses are just not prepared or have not put any money aside to weather the storm that they're going through right now. And I thought that was just must be extremely stressful and not good at all. And one of the things that I realize is it's really critical to have a plan and a plan for profit and for cash flow. And it's always interesting. I think a lot of people have always looked at like their income statement because the income statement shows, the revenues, what's coming in and maybe the potential profit. But the balance sheet is also really interesting because that's where you get the true reality of the business and of what you are doing and what you have done in your business. So start looking at, the BS, no BS, which is the balance sheet, because the balance sheet is what really, after, you paid your wages, interest paid, loans, all of that, how much cash do you really have on hand? And that what the balance sheet tells you in your business. So understanding the true pulse of what makes your business run is really going to matter. So I'm finding that a lot of business owners have not wanted to look at their numbers. And especially if you're a woman in business, sometimes this is the part where we kind of fall short. We just don't want to know the numbers and we just think someone else will take care of it. And that's what really inspired me to go back and do my MBA, my master's in business, because I didn't want to sit in that room with the accountants and with everyone and just having everything go over my head. And I'm thinking, not going to happen. So that's really was my motivation for going back to school. And I mean, along with the accounting, which was super tough, kicked my butt, but I got through it anyways and got through it with, solid marks. So I was really, really proud of that. But I really want you to start looking at what are you going to do in your business if you don't actually have any cash on hand, and you're going to have to start making some really tough decisions. Some of those decisions, the early part of it, which is you cut back on your hours, you may have to lay off some of your employees, the part-time ones. And then you get to the second round. So the first round of the initial layoffs, those are a lot easier. The second round is where it gets a bit tougher because now you're going to have to decide to maybe let go of people that have been with you a year, 2 years, 5 years. And however, if you don't make some of these tough decisions, you won't have any business at all. And in the end, your business is gone and every single person is gone. So I remember back in the day when I was teaching and in our province, we were having some economic downturn as well. And, the government at the time decided that we were going to all get a 5% pay cut. No one liked it. However, everyone saved their jobs. So you may have to start looking at, do you let some people go, do you cut back on salary, and doing some of those things to make sure that you are actually saving some of your employees, because you don't want your entire business to be gone and they're also going to be gone. So that's one of the things that, in these tough times right now, you're going to have to really be looking at in terms of what you do. Also make sure that you are getting on top of credit that you have and being diligent. Do you have any assets that you can sell off? And some of those assets will actually keep you in business in the meantime. Talk to your banker and find out what are the true rules that they have on this government loan program, because there's different things out there, but you must talk to them so that you can get some of the facts so that you can be better prepared. And if you need someone to talk to or need some help with that, I'm here as a business coach and as someone that is in, the automotive industry, been in business for a while, and we're surviving the storm. So send me a message, a DM, and be happy to help you out, and hang in there, business owners.